Are you looking to streamline your warehouse's pick, pack, and ship processes? Today, we're diving deep into the intricacies of these essential operations and how they can make or break your order fulfillment success. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more insights into warehouse management. The pick, pack, and ship process is foundational to efficient warehouse management. It begins with receiving inventory and culminates in shipping orders to customers. But it's not just about moving items, it's about precision, speed, and accuracy. The first step, receiving. Every efficient operation starts with a solid foundation. In warehousing, this means inspecting incoming shipments, organizing items strategically, updating inventory in real time, and establishing standard operating procedures. Inventory management. At the heart of every warehouse lies its inventory. Efficient management means accurate tracking, forecasting demand, regular cycle counting, and maintaining a safety stock buffer. Picking. The picking process is where items are collected to fulfill orders. Whether it's zone picking, batch picking, wave picking, or piece picking, the method you choose can significantly impact efficiency. Packing. Once items are picked, they need to be packed securely. This involves using the right materials, implementing effective strategies, and ensuring quality control. The final step is shipping. This includes generating accurate labels, integrating with shipping providers, optimizing shipping rates, and managing returns effectively. Modern technologies, from pick-to-light systems to robotics, can revolutionize the pick, pack, and ship process, reducing errors and boosting productivity. At Logimax, we understand the complexities of these operations. Our warehouse management system is designed to optimize each step, ensuring your orders are fulfilled efficiently and accurately. Want to elevate your pick, pack, and ship processes? Dive deeper and explore more at logimaxwms.com. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more insights into warehouse management.